If you are having issues, let me show you how to check your DNS records in Hover. First, click Check DNS Status. Then click Open the Guide for help. That will instruct us to sign into Hover. So let's do that now in a new tab. I'll go to my account, then to Control Panel. Here we can see our domains, and I'll select my .com domain. Then from this page, select the DNS tab. Let's go back to the guide in Elementor and click Next to see the next steps. Here we see instructions to add both the CNAME and A-type records. If we go back to Hover, we can verify that these two records exist. If not, we could add them. And now let's remove the two other records added by Hover by clicking the X, then confirming with Delete. Now let's return to the guide in Elementor, and we can click Done. The DNS status may still need some time to update, but if we copy our domain and paste it into our search bar, my temporary domain redirected to my custom domain within a few minutes of making these changes.